Alright, Jared, say something.
Mama.
What was that?
Mamma mia, mother.
Okay.
That just sucks.
Say hi, Jared.
Hey, Jared.
We're going to the gym. Yes, I'm vlogging again. They don't like this. Like what me and Shani started, we're kind of trying that out with Jared because Jared really hasn't started working out before, and we're gonna get him accustomed to the gym and stuff, and he was up for it, so that's awesome. Yeah, we're gonna try this out with Jared, my sweet mate, other roommate. Why'd you choose to come work out with us?
Mostly because Cheney nagged me into doing it.
Cheney nagged you into coming?
Yeah, and I want to work my body image. I want to not be the skinny kid.
Yeah. So his story is kind of like mine. Like, I started off super skinny and was made fun of, and so I took that matter into my own hands. And I went to the gym, kicked ass, and now I'm pretty fit. So here we go. Alright, so here we are. We're starting out with quad extensions. We do 3 sets of these. We start with an uncomfortable weight and go up about 10 pounds for each set. And here you see Cheney finishing up. And then we switch over to hamstring curls. We do 3 sets of these as well. Also doing the increasing 10-pound increments. But these are noticeably harder than the quad extensions, so we start with a lower weight. And then after we finish this, Cheney going hard real quick, we switch over to leg press. We had Jared start with a plate and a 25 on this. And we end up doing 5 sets of these, starting off with a comfortable set of 12. And we go down till we can barely breathe, and we finish up with 4 or 2.
Sacrifice your life for that change. She sacrificed that money for white.
And here we have Jared on the leg press. Notice that foot placement is key. Again, form is key with a lot of workouts. And because he's taller, his feet are spread wider than my stance or Cheney's stance. Here Cheney goes. Watch his feet placement. Notice that he has the knee braces on because he's going really heavy on this. Gets 1, 2, 3, and finishes up nice and strong.
How
many was that?
Huh?
That was 3, right?
That's it.
How many pounds is that?
A lot.
How many plates? 8. 8 plates? Dude. 35. 720. Alright. Alright. Yeah, I'm not doing that. This guy. Hold on. 2, 4, 5, 7, 9. 9 plates? How much does that weigh?
810.
810. How many are you gonna do?
Hopefully one.
All right. I can see two. I can see two coming out. He might die. Might die though. Two. Get there. Hell yeah. Two. Called it. Okay. You know you're a lot stronger than you think, right?
Yeah.
Like a lot stronger.
Yeah.
You made it. Like, I think you could easily do 3 plates.
I think
It would suck. It would suck. Yes. I mean, you don't have to do that anytime soon, but you did 10 of 2.
I think I could do 2 of you.
All right, so first thing you want to do is walk in,
Obviously.
legs shoulder width apart, a little bit, maybe a little bit wider. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure when you squat down, keep your butt out. When your butt's out, your chest's gonna pop out. And you wanna grab hands opposite, right outside your feet, butt out the whole time, chest forward. And you wanna come up while keeping your form and pop your chest out to finish the lift.
So the chest, so just making sure for the camera, your chest will come out and your butt will.
So get a side view.
There you go. So form is key, right?
Form is key. You should feel like you're gonna fall backwards, but because you have the weight forward, that's gonna hold you up, just out. Like your hands are opposite. Hands opposite.
So you're gonna have alternating grip.
Alternate grip like this. See, look at your knees. Your knees are buckling in. Because you gotta kick your butt out first.
Okay, but remember he has longer legs,
I know, but
so we have to adjust for that.
you're here.
But you have the same issue I do. Like,
Yeah, look at my knees. Your knees shouldn't even move.
I spread the weight evenly across my feet.
Your leg should
So my
not even
knees,
move.
so my knees want to come down.
Your legs shouldn't even move.
Yeah.
Because you're doing it. I ain't serious.
I'm saying, well, I'm trying to do it right.
All right.
It'll be uncomfortable, but like I'm still learning this. That's better.
Finish the lip and pop your chest out. Try to keep your back like that.
Like bring your shoulder blades and shove them back. Yeah.
Out your soft. You want to be trying to do it the whole time.
That's what they're teaching over there. Showing the same thing. Jarod's finally getting the form down right here, as you can see. He's got the form, and he looks good. He just needs to add some weight, and he's good to go.
What you're doing, I think that's why you're hurting your back. You can squat your leg down more, but your butt up here. Yeah, bring your butt down just a little, not to exaggerate that. When you go down, push your butt out too. Perfect. That's fine.
Now that's more like
Like what you're doing the other day when you're going like this, you were just going like this. You weren't doing anything.
Cheney just got done helping me perfect my form, and he's going hard right here, doing a set, finishing up real quick, and that's the end of the workout. We just got done with the gym. We hit up Chick-fil-A, then came back here. Jarod, I just want to ask you real quick, how was that?
It was good. I'm excited to go back to the gym. And
This is not rehearsed. You did not rehearse this.
And I'm excited to put myself in more pain and suffering. because it hurt a lot and it's gonna hurt tomorrow.
We did quads first, and then we did hamstrings on the leg machine. I'm not really sure what that leg extension. I don't know what it's called. And then we went on to where you sit down and you push up with the plates, and then we went over and did deadlifts. Like, what was most challenging for you?
Probably the form on the deadlifts was the hardest part. Getting that form down is hard and very important to do so you don't injure yourself.
Yeah. Like, I'm still struggling with that too, and just trying to figure it out. Cheney's off doing his own thing right now, but he's really good at teaching us form. He's kind of leading this, and I'm leading the camera side of things, and we're just hoping to help out Jarod. So, like, are you actually excited?
Yeah, no, I'm going back tomorrow.
You just stretched out right now on the floor behind the camera in front of the living room, right? You did
Yes.
that? Okay. So, like, that's, if you can stretch out before, that'd be ideal. More of just like moving exercise, moving stretches. Static stretches would be a decent thing for afterwards.
That would right now.
I mean, either way, definitely stretching afterwards is more important than before. We've kind of been taught stretching before is better, but it's better to cool down with stretching. And so, anyways, look at the camera.
My stomach is Dude, you
We're
know,
done.